In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw shapes and perfect lines in Microsoft Whiteboard. If you've ever struggled to get clean circles, rectangles, or straight lines with a mouse or touch, this walkthrough will help you work faster and make your boards look polished. We'll cover freehand shape conversion, drawing perfectly straight lines, and using pre-made shapes for a tidy finish. Let's start with drawing freehand shapes and letting Whiteboard clean them up for you. Whiteboard includes a smart feature called Enhance Inked Shapes, also known as Ink to Shape. When this is on, you can sketch a circle, rectangle, triangle, hexagon, pentagon, or parallelogram, and Whiteboard will automatically convert it into a precise geometric shape. Just draw naturally. As soon as you lift your pen or mouse, it tidies the shape. If the result isn't what you wanted, simply use Undo to return to your original stroke. You can toggle this behavior in settings under Ink, or by using the Convert or Enhance Shapes command, so turn it on when you want clean diagrams and off when you're sketching rough ideas. Now, for perfect straight lines, you have a couple of reliable options. The quickest is to hold the Shift key while drawing with a pen or mouse. As you drag, Whiteboard snaps the line to common angles, 0, 45, or 90 degrees, so you get consistent, horizontal, diagonal, or vertical lines without finicking. This is especially handy for axes, dividers, or quick connectors. If you want more control over the exact angle, use the ruler. Open it from the toolbar if it's available in your version. Position the ruler where you want the line to go, then draw along its edge. The stroke will follow that angle precisely. You can move the ruler with your mouse or the arrow keys, and rotate it with the mouse wheel, or by pressing Alt plus the arrow keys for fine adjustments. When you're done, hide or move the ruler out of the way and continue drawing. Finally, if you want perfectly shaped objects without drawing by hand, insert pre-made shapes. Tap. Create, the plus button on the toolbar, choose Shapes, and select what you need: rectangles, circles, arrows, and more. Click or tap to place it on the board. After adding a shape, you can resize it by dragging the handles, move it to rearrange your layout, rotate it to match your design, and recolor it to keep your diagram clear and consistent. This approach is great for flowcharts, diagrams, and layouts where consistency matters. That's it. With Ink to Shape, Shift for snapping, the ruler for precision, and pre-made shapes, you'll make clean, professional boards in no time.